So very, very good morning, good evening, and a very warm welcome to an amazing show which has been going on, and all because of you people out there celebrating womanhood. Welcome to this show of PM Powerful Me. Thank you, Swati and Mithan, to really accept my invitation. And the whole idea why I chose these two beautiful women out there will be revealed a little later. So why I'm sitting in such a beautiful background today, because I really believe that किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. And that's what today we are here with these two lovely women. As I promised you that in this show we'll be covering lots and lots of different areas where people are doing wonderful, women are doing wonderful contributions to the society without much of inhibitions. But was their life that simple, or was it that they never had any challenge, or was it that they were just very easygoing, and they thought nothing is a problem and we'll do it? So let's find out with these lovely beautiful women. Thank you so much, Swati and Mithan. A very warm welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Parul. So nice being here.
Awesome. And, today why we are here, as I was briefing you also, this whole series is all about, can we, inspire each other? Can we ourselves be that motivator to the other person by no stories, no bhashan at all, but something which is very real to us, right? So today we'll be loving to, hear from you what exactly is happening in your life. But before we go, for sure, we would love to know more about you. So as M comes first, let me start with Mithan. Mithan, why don't we know more about you? Who are you?
Oh, okay. That's like the pot boiler question, Parul. And thank you so much again for having me over. And Swati, of course, she's my soul sister. So yeah, so happy being here. About me, Parul, I'm Bangalorean. I'm from Bangalore, but I'm from Coog. So somewhere, education, everything happened out in Bangalore for me. And of course, after marriage, we've been traveling a bit. So I keep telling everyone, when they ask me, what are you doing? I say I'm like a gypsy when it comes to professions and things that I've done, because I've put my finger in so many things, and I've enjoyed every bite of what I've taken. So from being the educator to a social initiator to everything, mother, wife, daughter, everything. It's just been touch wood, a very blessed journey so far, and with God's grace, I just hope it continues the same way.
Yes, I'm sure a positive person like you and a wonderful person like you will always have. As I said, universe will always bless you. So thank you so much for sharing that, Mithan. All right, Swati, why don't we know about you? कहाँ के हो भाई? कहाँ से आए हो? कैसे हो? और क्या करते हो आप?
That's a good question, Parul. Ask me that, I say I'm an Indian because I have not stayed in one place for more than a few years. Bangalore has been actually my longest stint. I've been here for the 12 years, but before that, I've been all over the countryside with my parents, and then, again, like a trailing spouse. And it was like a very happy childhood and everything. There are no ifs and buts in my journey. It's been like a natural progression to where I am today.
Beautiful.
And yeah, I've been working. Then I met Mithan. We did a lot of social initiatives together, and I'm in my happy place right now.
Superb. And both of you look like also amazing. That both of you look what you are. I always, as I know you personally also, both of you at a separate level also, whenever I've seen you guys, I've always seen this beautiful smile. I've always seen this, because I'm a firm believer as a coach and a counselor that whatever is in you is always shown outside, so it's always beautiful to connect with both of you, and you are doing a fantastic work of giving smiles to people. That much I know for sure. Superb. Superb. All right. So on this topic of celebrating womanhood, as you rightly said, Mitan, that there are so many things we are juggling into, right? Mom, wife, daughter-in-law, and so many roles. And sometimes what happens in these roles, we start getting lost somewhere. And we realize, because I do so much of counseling for so many years, so many times women share that, Parul, I was in my college days, this and that, I wanted to do so much. And अब तो कुछ होता नहीं क्योंकि ये हो जाता है, this comes up or that comes up. So this is a very beautiful time for me to ask you to share so that others can also understand that how do you juggle between so many roles, and is it possible, or it's really tough when you're really struggling and then doing it. So what's your share on that?
Parul, I think the minute we are born, we start wearing different hats. I think we are like constantly doing that, and I think it's for everyone, including the men, but I think women do it a little more because, we want to create that perfect balance, and we want to maintain that perfect harmony in what we're doing and things like that. So I think if we accept things faster and, kind of understand that part, I think it's pretty easy. I think we are wired to do multitask. I mean, not do, I think we are wired to multitask very easily. And if the quicker we accept it, the faster things get done.
Right.
Otherwise, I think it's your internal hook which pulls you down.
Yes.
Otherwise, I think we are all ready. We can fly anytime. We are ready.
So nice.
Please
Swati.
stop ourselves.
Good. Right. As you rightly said, yes, it's all in the mind. And really, because, sometimes people are not doing much, but they get so tired. And sometimes people are doing so much and they're still enthusiastic. And that's what is your, as I said, that Mithan always is that person who's always there everywhere and still this beautiful smile all the time. So, Swati, will you like to add something on what Mithan said? That how do you do? Is it stressful because into so many roles, and then on top of it, a lot of times I hear women telling that time ही नहीं मिलता कुछ social करने के लिए. I don't have time for thing. I want to do a lot, but मैं कर नहीं पाती. So, what do you think about it, Swati?
So, Parul, I feel that there is no stress in doing things when you enjoy doing them.
Mm-hmm.
And that is what drives both of us. I can say actually I can say both of us, it really drives us, because what we do, we enjoy doing that, and I think both of us came to a point in life where we were like, yeah, everybody talks about change and everybody wants to see change, everybody desires change, but is somebody doing things to make the change happen? So that's where we kind of jumped right in. And we were like, okay, let's do this. And I want Mithan to share, because she had a bigger journey than me. She won an award at IIM for the project that we were doing. And it was a social initiative, So for us, it was like the cat's whiskers.
Fantastic, Mithan. So beautiful, very nice. So I do know that you both have had journey together, and now you are both doing something different on your own also. So why don't you share in maybe a minute your passion, and with this send a message to people also, those who want to join your passion, and I'm sure you need more and more people to understand it. So starting with Mithan again. Mithan, what's your passion? What are you working now? And what's your appeal to the people who are the viewers who are watching this right now?
Okay, so right now, Parul, I've kind of taken on, I'm like one of the lead volunteers for the lake rejuvenation of Hulimau, which is one of the top 5 largest lakes in Bangalore. Well, so we've got a great team, and we are like a bunch of very stubborn people who are sitting tight at the lake and saying that, okay, until this job gets done, we are not moving. But of course, we are not challenging anybody. We are just collaborating with the government and social organizations who are in to support us. And believe me, when you want something to happen, as your wallpaper,
Yeah.
I think the universe conspires with
Yes,
you to make
yes.
it happen. So we've met a lot of like-minded people who
Mm,
also were looking for, partnering with people like me and Swati, and who have the intention
mm,
to do
mm.
good but don't know where to start.
Right.
And we scream from the top of our voices saying that we are open to work with anyone
Mm.
whose ideas we connect with. So
Superb.
I don't think it should ever be a worry. If you want to do good, I think you should just go out there and do it.
Mhm.
And it's really easy.
Mm.
Actually, it's very easy. You just need
Right.
to have the mind to do it. That's it.
Right. Very, very beautiful. And by the time I'm talking to Swati on her passion, Mitan, why don't you type your name, if you can rename and write your phone number out there. So if anybody is wanting to join you, or you can write a web, any email out there, or you can speak it out later on. I will give both of you chance, whatever, wherever you want them. If suppose, because when people watch this and they feel that they want to do something, I mean, you never know who can you inspire right now when you're speaking, right?
You can be our medium here, Parul. I mean, in
Sure.
your subscribe box, your
Yes.
inbox, you can give us
Yes, sure.
messages.
So I will do that. So great. So I'll do
And
that.
in the meantime, does I think Swati, would you want to retype your name on your screen?
Oh, it's
She
not
loves
coming, is it?
it's coming Rohit Pandey. So no problem. You love him so much that we understand. Having said that, this is what we are talking about, multitasking. Let it be the way it is. And this is what we are doing. The role of mom, the role of wife is also important at the same time, whatever you do. So coming back to you, Swati, what is your passion right now and what are you doing? And I think I'll really love it what you said just now. I want to rephrase it again, what you said, that people want change in life, but what are they doing? And it's not about what others are doing. So if I want something to change, I got to move. I got to move to do it. And then yes, some people might follow, some might not follow, but that gives you a different kick altogether, right? So share about you, Swati. What are you into right now, and how can these viewers of ours help you or help your organizations, whatever you're working for?
So, Parul, as your show suggests, celebrating womanhood, big shout out to my mom. She started with the Air Force Wives Association and supported a lot of women, with skill development and all. And a big shout out to our common friend Anu Chandar, because she put me onto this path. And we support girls' homes with, pads, sanitary pads, and menstrual information. We actually go out and educate them about the proper use, disposal, medical facts, and everything. And I'm really happy to say that we support almost 100 girls every
Wow,
month
fantastic.
and
Fantastic.
for the past 4 years. And we have a lot of support. You, Mithan, I mean, all of you have been on this journey with us.
Mhm.
And we had a couple of sponsorships, like corporate sponsorships, but family and friends. I mean, they've just,
Yes,
along the journey, and we hope to continue and grow because now the girls are coming back after the pandemic.
right,
So the girls, sorry,
right.
and I think that's my calling, supporting women. And I was sharing with Mithan today, it's not the big things that count, it's just small things like a girl saying that because you got pads we could go to school.
Wow.
For me, that one sentence just drives us all.
Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So a round of applause for both of you and many more who are
Hmm.
watching it and who are wanting to do lots. And this is what these two beautiful women out there are saying, that it's not impossible to take out time or do something what you love doing. Yes, it can be tough sometimes, but so many times, and I'm very strongly saying this, that so many times we as women start saying that when outside support will happen, then I can do what I want to do. I think that's just an excuse. Unfortunately, sometimes we just don't realize that there's so much of power within us, that if we want to do something, for sure we can always make out time for that, the way we take out time for other things in life. Like family is important, children are important, friends are important, and we make sure that we take out time for them. If we surely think that giving back to society, giving back to what I had a passion and I want to do, not necessarily you need crores, not necessarily you need a lot of time. as Swati said, as Mithan said, that little bit of time also out there can
Yeah.
help out there. Yes, Mithan, please.
So, Parul, when you were saying, when you're talking about, taking out a little time and, how it can actually grow,
Yes.
when we started Paper Arts, we started with like just one school and like a big idea. But, by the end of 2 years, we had over 20 odd schools who joined us and our idea. And we had more than 6,000 artists, children who participated in our activity.
Wow.
And same with a lot of things. Now, when she's talking about the pad, the drive and the number of people who've joined, it just starts with a drop and then you get the bigger picture. And the same with the lake. We started with 3 and now we've got like this army of volunteers who are working with us for the lake.
Yes.
And then there's another Feed One program which we were part of, which I took on at our apartment. Again, promised them 15 meals a day. By the end of a month, we were giving 3,000 meals.
Wow,
a day.
fantabulous.
We started with one. Yeah, you start with like
Yes.
2 people, and then it kind of has got this ripple effect, I guess, when
Yes.
people know that there are, who you can collaborate with. Swati,
Yes.
you want
Yeah,
something?
Swati was adding something. Swati?
Just saying the same thing. You start with one and it's like a cascading effect. And
Good.
that's the beauty about change, It
Yes.
starts like a trickle and it's very uncomfortable at first, but when it happens, it's like,
Yes.
wow.
Superb. So the message what I'm getting out here is that, if you want any change you want in the society, don't just have drawing room conversations. Don't just sit out there and have a blaming game around on the government, on the climate, on people. But if you feel about it, just go for it. And as these two beautiful women are saying, doesn't matter. Maybe initially there are just 1 or 2 people doing that, or maybe you're the only one who's doing that at that time. But you never know, the ripple effect will happen. And there are like-minded people who start coming to join you and make difference to people's life. So celebrating womanhood is all about inspiring, is all about, this is our 10th or 11th series where we have called such lovely people. The whole idea is to inspire and not have the stories from books somewhere, but real life stories of these women who are happily married, have lovely children, are really, really very busy, but still, because they decided that they want to do something, they are doing it. So last line from Mithan and Swati. So one by one-liner message, one-liner mantra, which kicks you maybe, or which you feel is your, like when you get up, that's the main energy thing for you. Whatever you want, that one-liner, somebody should carry from this meeting or this session of ours. Yes, Mithan, we start with you.
You have the power to bring in the change, and the universe is going to conspire with you to make it happen.
Superb. So believe in it, have that power within you, unleash it, and things will follow, right? Thank you so much, Mithan, for that. Swati, what do you think is the mantra of your passion or your message to these lovely women who are watching it? What is that 1 line or 2 lines which you feel can kick us all?
I feel that the pandemic has really affected all our lives. And I would like to send out a message of hope. Har sham ke baad savera hai. So let's plan and look forward to the savera.
Superb. So har
This
sham
too
ke
will
baad.
pass, no?
This too shall
This is our
pass.
favorite
Yes.
line.
Yes.
Too
Yes.
shall
This is
pass.
this too shall pass. And so beautifully, yes, har sham ke baad savera hai. Situations outside can keep changing, but inside us is all in our control. Outside, we might not be able to change what's happening. So my message also, along with these beautiful women, are that no person, place, situation, or thing can take away what you want to do in life. So take charge of your life, follow your passion, follow your heart, and be the change what you want the world to be. And trust me, the ripple effect, the butterfly effect, whatever you call it, is going to make this world beautiful place to live in from beautiful people like you. So thank you so much, Swati. Thank you so much, Mithan. Thanks for inspiring us. Thanks a lot. And we will be coming back lots more with lots more of discussions and a lot of panel discussions on, environment saving, or, as very beautiful topic Swati has about these girl childs and their challenges. We will be coming back with lots and lots. Stay tuned, celebrate life, be alive, and do not just survive. That's my mantra of life. Signing off. Thanks a lot, and all the best to both of you.
Thank you, Parul. Thank you for having us over.
Thanks.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.